If you're planning for retirement and you've decided gold belongs in your portfolio, the next question becomes just as important. How are you going to own it? We've talked before about the risks of paper ownership compared to physical, and how the difference can potentially be night and day if the system gets stressed and you need to claim your metal. But what we haven't talked about is how a physical precious metals IRA works, how it compares to a gold ETF when it comes to retirement planning, and how its tax advantages stack up. And hey, if you're into this kind of content, consider subscribing. A like really helps too. A physical precious metals IRA is a self-directed IRA, the same tax-advantaged retirement vehicle you already know, that holds physical gold and silver bullion instead of stocks and bonds. Here's how it works in practice. You open a self-directed IRA with a custodian. You fund it either with new contributions or by rolling over an existing 401k or IRA. Your custodian then purchases IRS-approved bullion on your behalf. That metal gets delivered to and stored in an IRS-approved depository in a segregated account in your name. A third-party auditor accounts for every single ounce and provides you with proof of purchase. You can visit the vault at any time, verify your holdings, and audit your own metals. That is what owning physical gold in a retirement account actually looks like. A gold ETF trades like a stock. You buy shares in a fund that allegedly holds physical gold as its underlying asset. For short-term trading, it serves a purpose, but you can never really redeem those shares for physical metal. So if you're holding gold in your retirement portfolio as protection against a stock market crash, a banking crisis, or a currency crisis, scenarios we talk about all the time, a gold ETF is not the most risk-proof solution. Think about it. Central banks don't buy ETFs. They buy physical gold and hold it in vaults. And let's talk about taxes. Gold ETFs held in a standard brokerage account are taxed at capital gains rates of up to 28%. That is substantially higher than the standard long-term capital gains rate most investors pay on stocks. Over a multi-decade retirement savings horizon, that tax drag compounds into a meaningful reduction. A physical precious metals IRA eliminates that problem entirely and replaces it with one of the most favorable tax structures available to retirement investors. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars and your gains grow completely tax-free. When you sell in retirement, you owe nothing on the growth. So when it comes to protecting your retirement, the structure you choose for your gold determines what you actually own, how it's taxed over decades, and what happens to your wealth when you actually need it the most. If you want more practical insight from people who understand the precious metals market and how to navigate it, please like and subscribe.